So I'm looking at genetics and trying to work out what actually causes people to have Alzheimer's disease, whereas some people do not have Alzheimer's. And the CCACE group, they're involved in looking at normal ageing. So I'm looking at the other spectrum where people actually develop a disease in their older ages. It's just really good to work with CACE because they've got a really good cohort of samples to work with. Although I'm essentially looking at Alzheimer's disease, there's the possibility that the genes involved in Alzheimer's might equally be involved in normal ageing. And Ian Deary, I've been collaborating with him and Sarah Harris to do some analysis of the Lothian birth cohorts in looking at Alzheimer's disease related genes in the Lothian birth cohorts, which has been really useful and really interesting actually. And there might be some overlap between normal ageing and Alzheimer's disease. It's such a large centre, there's so much expertise, and as well as access to the samples that I've been using in my work, I've also had access to some really great people. So I've been working very closely with the centre geneticist. Genetics is, I've got my background in genetics as well, but Sarah works exclusively on that kind of work, so it's been really helpful to me to kind of help me in my work and provide me with some extra analysis that maybe I wouldn't have been able to do. And just general expertise. I've been involved with Andy McLeod as well, who also is statistical genetics, so it's been really useful. I think it's a really rewarding and worthwhile thing to work in because during my work I've met people with Alzheimer's disease and you realise how important it is to study.